approach, Blue 653, 42, 6,200 to 6,000, 210 on the speed.
Blue 653, 42 to maintain 4,000.
So maintain 4,000, Blue 653, 42. Left turn 090, Blue 653, 42.
42, left turn 040,
040, Blue 653, 42.
Departure with Gary, Blue 653, 42, cleared, Mount Run visual, runway 1 approach.
Cleared, Mount Run visual, runway 1 approach, Blue 653, 42. 170 till 5 out, Blue 653, 42.
653, 42, tower
19-1, Blue Seeker 3342. Tower, Blue 653, 42 on Mount Vernon visual, runway 1.
Blue 653, 42, Washington Tower, 1 star, 32, Zurich, 17, cut 25. Can you take runway 33?
Yeah, we can do 33 for Blue 653, 42.
Blue 653, 42, that's a Wilson Bridge, change the turn for runway 33, clear to land.
Change to runway 33, runway 33 for land, Blue 653, 42.
Pass 25, get the CRJ in flight. Pass 25, pass behind the CRJ.
American 4782 by Bath, Mount Vernon visual.
American 472, Washington Tower, 1 star, 32, Zurich, 17.
Tower, did you see that?
American 472, American 3130, go around, turn left end 250, climb maintain 3000.
Okay, left heading 350, 3000, American 3130. Tower, Blue Streak 5347 is on final. Request runway 33, circle to 33. Second heading for American 3130.
American 3130, go around, turn left end 270, climb maintain 3000.
270 heading 3000, American 3130.
Blue 65305, I don't know if you saw it, but about 2,000 feet on our 3 o'clock, about 500 feet up in the air. It looks like there were flares or something going over right now.
We're handling right now, stand by. Blue 65305, I believe they're going to close the airport for an indefinite amount of time. My suggestion is you back to the gate. It's a type aircraft, I don't know if it was CRJ 700, it was a CRJ 700 series. Delta 832, sorry. I don't know if you caught earlier what happened, but there was a collision on the approach in the 33. We're going to be shutting down operations for the indefinite future. If you want to go back to the gate, highly suggest you guys coordinate with the company, let me know what you want to do.
Alright, we'll let the company, talking to them right now. Yeah, we witnessed the whole thing. If you need any information from us.
Okay, not quite yet, but just remain on frequency and I'll give you a phone number here in a second.
Alright, thank you.
Okay, for JetBlue 2523, did you witness the encounter?
Affirmative.
Okay, Delta 832 and Blue Sheik, sorry, for both JetBlue and Delta and Blue Sheik 305, I'll give you a phone number, just give me 1 second.